Hi, I'm Chris May. I'm a CPA and I'm the Chief Financial Officer at Mesilla Valley Hospice. We're a nonprofit agency. We have about 100 employees, so we're a fair-sized nonprofit organization. I'm here today to talk to you about the importance of writing well when you have a career in accounting. The way I see it, your career comes in three stages. The first stage is when you're trying to get your foot into the door. During this time, you're going to be out trying to seek a job and you're going to be sending out resumes and cover letters. Let me tell you, these must be very well written. I discard immediately any resumes and letters I receive that are not well written because it tells me that you're not attentive to detail and that you don't have the potential to move up the career ladder. So it's very important that you are able to write a good cover letter and a good resume. The second stage of your career is when you got that job and you're trying to impress the partners of your firm or the managers of your company because you want to move up the career ladder. During that time, you'll be writing reports and letters to clients. The last thing you want to have happen is for a partner of a firm to see that you have written a poor letter that got sent to a client. Let me tell you, you're going to get yourself in a heck of a lot of trouble over that one. So it's important that you write well, and you're going to be constantly having to write reports and letters to clients. Don't think that just because you're fantastic at accounting that this is going to make it so you still are able to move up the career ladder. I've known a lot of people who were fantastic at accounting, but if they weren't able to communicate well with the clients, and this includes with the written form, with letters and reports and such, that they weren't able to have move up the career ladder, that they got stymied. So it's very important that you're able to write. I also want to point out that you may think you can kind of dodge the bullet on the emails and not put the attention into your emails that you would a letter. In today's times, the email has taken the place of the letter as a way of communication. And so people are judging your emails just as much as they're judging your letters. The last stage of your career is when you've made it to the top. You've got the job you've always dreamed of, you've got your Mercedes in the garage and the beautiful house. You might think you don't have to write well at that stage. Well, let me tell you, when I receive a letter that's poorly written from a bank president or a CPA at a firm, I really raise an eyebrow. It just shocks you to think that somebody of that caliber has made it to the top. You expect well-written correspondence from those people. So it's very important at this stage, too, to be able to write well. You might think that you will never be able to write well. You might be one of those people that, gee, writing doesn't come naturally to you. Don't worry about that. I was the worst writer who ever hit a college campus. I even got a demerit in my writing class. So hang in there. Just make it a priority to yourself. Take classes, look to see what other people are doing, that they write well, get input from other people, and just make it a priority. If you make it a priority, you'll learn how to write well, and you'll have a very good, successful career.